Good evening. Well, we're gathered here tonight in the release of job protection. First of all, before I delve in appreciation to job protection, I thank God and I appreciation to you all. And since 2013, 2003, I think 2003, we made one Imchungmer film, that is Chumbu Amajo. Last time we called our tribe Imchungmer, but now we have already changing some our nomenclature, that is Imchung. We are using our new Imchung tribe. So before I saying the appreciation word, I myself introduce. My name is Ariba. I'm from Imchung tribe, Imchung community. So through our director, Sir Ajay Kumar, he most of the time he support us and donate the wages. Without these wages, I brought him to my place. I'm from Budor village, Imchung. I'm from Imchung tribe, and my native place, his village is Budor village. That's under Winsang district. So today we have that before after my releasing that Imchung Chumbu Amajo, that is when we see in we learn how to say when we by English, that is the love of God. When we get back to Greek, that is akabila, which means akabila, that means the love of God. I just look from First Corinthians 13, verse 1 to 13. That is typical. We make gospel life. So very thank you, and we appreciate my personal also. I very appreciate to my Buddha Philip protection, and also my director Sir Ajay Kumar and his family, and also here tonight we are here for 5-pack film releasing. And also I very thank you to appreciation and thank to our back 5-pack film steering and main row and second row and heroine also. And that who are brought up this back film, back row. Yes, 5-pack. And also thank you lastly, and as our director says, appreciation now. Likewise, we must think about something we must get before we get our destination. We must to suffer ourselves. That is our determination. As Sir says that is very how to say sacrifice for undergrads. Before I think it's mostly 15 to 20 years. I was working with my Sir Director since 2003 maybe 2003. That is Chumbu Amajo. That is when we see in Nagamis Solaka Morum. And this is my request to my Sir Ajay Kumar also. We supposed to how to say both in that media and Google how to say that even our film, that is Chumbu Amajo. But due to some problem, due to some due to some grievances, we cannot able to that how to say implement that our film. But I think by the support of our Sir Ajay Kumar, he will see in even how to say our Chungpo Mojo. Also we can get file, even TV also and some channel also. So if time comes and let pray wait for that. So by this short word, I very thankful to all and God bless you.